Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at gold today, in particular, Agnico Eagle Mines, AEM. And this is why. Some of the other stocks are doing pretty well right now. I've got one of them in my account, Franco-Nevada, that's been squeezing for a while. I kind of thought by now it would pop out above $100, but it hasn't yet. This, by the way, is a low risk entry right here. You're buying the stock, and I mean, you can keep a real tight stop on this and be just fine, because if the stock starts falling below the 50, then the reason for getting in is negated and you want to get out. So Franco-Nevada is one that you can look at, but I really like Agnico Eagle because frankly, it gives you a little bit more upside here without the downside risk, any more downside risk than FNV. So you're buying the stock here at about $59, and you can keep a stop, right around here, around 57.80 or so. And so that, you're risking a couple percent. You're getting an early start on this. This is, it's kind of a, I don't know what IBD'd call it. I would say just kind of a cup with a long handle. You can see the cup here. And then the stock's just been drifting up and down in this series of rallies and natural reactions. All the while, though, forming this resistance area here at 62 and a support level here. So the stock is right here now. And so you're buying a little bit of stock here. And then if the stock breaks out, you buy some more right there. And that's how you're getting into this stock. So anyway, I hope that helps with your trading. Just remember, if you can buy a little bit of a pullback close to support, that's a good time to actually start a position. And then when you might normally be buying the position on a breakout, instead you've got kind of a head start on it. And then you're just adding to your position safely, and you've got a lower cost basis. So anyway, hope that helps, and I'll see you next time.